Hi guys, good day. Today I will discuss to you the difference between derivative and differential. Okay, so marami na confused dito ano yung pinagkaiba. Okay, so for example, you have a variable x, okay, and you are then asked what is the derivative of x. Okay, so most students will just simply reply, Sir, matik po yan, 1. Okay, wrong. Magaling. Before ka magbigay ng sagot, okay, if you are taking the derivative of a certain variable, okay, tanongin mo muna, Sir, with respect to what? You are taking the derivative of a certain variable with respect to what, okay? So guys, nagiging 1 po yan because most of the time, you are just simply taking the derivative of x with respect to x, okay? That's the reason why naging 1 yan kasi nga, dx over dx, matik po yan, that is 1, okay? Yan po yung derivative. Careful with the word. Derivative with respect. Okay? With respect. Now, ano naman yung differential? Okay? Kinig. Pag sinabihan ka ngayon, okay, what is the differential of x? Okay? Matik po yan. Okay? The differential of x is simply dx. Okay? Wala kang pake sa kung saan mo man siya kinukuha yung derivative na yan. You are just simply taking the change of this variable with respect to nothing. Kumbaga, independent siya. Wala kang pake sa kung anumang variable na i-relate mo sa kanya. Okay? So, take note. Okay? The derivative of x with respect to x, 1 po yan. But, if you are asked what is the differential of x, okay, matik po yan, that is dx. Okay? Now, para ma-appreciate mo siya, for example, you have a circle, okay, wherein yung center niya is nasa origin. For example, okay? And, kunyari, let's say yung radius niya is 1, okay? So, now, yung equation ng circle na yan is just simply what? Actually, the standard equation of a circle is just x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where h and k are the location or the coordinates of the center, okay? But it so happened na yung center natin is nasa origin, okay? So, matik po, 0 yan, okay? So, mangyari, you'll end up with what? X minus 0 is simply x squared plus y minus 0 squared, that is simply y squared is equal to r squared. But, for example, you have a radius of 1, so matik po yan, 1 squared is just simply 1. Now, tinanong ka ngayon, okay? You are required, okay? You are required to compute for the slope, okay? For the slope at this point, okay? Now, let's say, kunyari, dito yun. Okay? Dito yung point na yun, okay? Pinahanap sa'yo, ano yung slope dyan, okay? Or yung equation ng slope dyan, okay? So now, tandaan nyo lang po lagi, okay? Yung application ng differential calculus, okay, is most of the time rates, the slopes, okay? So now, what if pina-differentiate sa'yo ito, okay? So again guys, pwede mo siyang gamitan ng derivative or differential. You can go either way, okay? So now, let's say, itry natin tong derivative, okay? Before mo i-apply si derivative, yung gawin mo lang, okay? I-express mo yung y in terms of x, okay? So, y squared therefore is just simply 1 minus x squared. Now, y therefore is just simply the square root of 1 minus x squared. Of course, yung square root na yan, pwede mo yan i-express in terms of exponent, okay? So, mangyari, 1 minus x squared raised to 1 half, okay? Raised to 1 half. Now, connect. If you have this equation, y is equal to 1 minus x squared raised to 1 half, okay? And you are required to get, okay, the derivative of y with respect to x, okay? Now, ano po to? Ano yung derivative of y with respect to x, okay? Yan po yung magiging slope mo. Because, tandaan nyo lang lagi, yung d na yan, that corresponds to a change or simply your delta, okay? So, dy is just simply the change in y, and dx is simply the change in x or delta x. Now, in geometry, ano ito? In geometry, actually, okay, this is your slope, okay? The change in y over the change in x is simply your rise over run, okay? So now, okay, if you're gonna do the derivative, okay, this one, now, if you're gonna do this derivative, okay, apply mo lang yung power formula, okay? Tandaan nyo lang guys, the derivative of u raised to n, take note of this, the derivative of u raised to n is simply what, okay? Using power formula, kung ano man yung exponent dyan, gawin mo siyang coefficient, okay? So, n times u, okay, this one, copy mo lang, raised to n minus 1, okay? Kung ano man yung exponent dyan, bawasan mo ng 1, okay? Then, multiply mo siya sa derivative ng nasa loob, okay? So, times du. Okay? Now, makinig. Here in this case, yung u po natin is, eto. Yung nasa loob ng parenthesis na to, okay? Yung n naman natin ngayon is yung 1/2, which is the square root, okay? So now guys, applying the power formula, where n is 1/2, okay? So n times u, 1 minus x squared, raised to n minus 1. Guys, 1/2 minus 1 is simply negative 1/2, okay? Times du. What is du? Ano po yung derivative na nasa loob, okay? So, mangyari, the derivative of 1 is 0, okay? Yung derivative ng negative x squared is simply 2x. Negative 2x, okay? So, negative 2x. Now, what will happen is that negative 2 divided by 1/2 or divided times 1/2, cancel lang yung 2 na yan, okay? And you'll end up with dy over dx is equal to what? Ito yung negative x na yan, okay, will retain at the numerator. Tsaka, yung negative 1/2 na to na exponent, you can make this positive by placing this quantity in the denominator, okay? So, ilagay mo siya sa baba, 1 minus x squared, okay, raised to positive 1/2, or simply negative x over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Ito po yung slope mo sa point na yan. Actually, kahit saang point, okay? Now, ito po yung sagot natin using derivative. Ang ginagawa ko actually, kapag when I'm dealing with this type of problems, okay, hindi na ako dumadyan dyan, okay? Dito ako sa differential, okay? So, paano yan, sir? Okay? Kinig. Gawin mo ganito, okay? Going back sa equation na to, we're gonna apply differential, okay, instead of derivative. So, x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Yan po yung original equation natin, okay? So now guys, makinig. Ano po yung derivative ng x or ng x squared? Supposedly, 2x lang yan, okay? But, makinig, yung nangyari sa differential na to, actually, okay, yung derivative ng x with respect sa x is 1. Kapag differential ka naman guys, wala kang with respect. Kumbaga, yung denominator mo, i-multiply mo doon. Kaya naging dx yan, okay? So now, here in this case, supposedly, yung derivative ng x squared natin is 2x lang. But, we are dealing differentials in here, not derivative. So, lagyan mo lang ng dx. Why? Kasi yung technique po na to, okay, mas mabilis ka dito kapag nagsosolve ka ng mga time rates, okay? dx over dt, dy over dt, dv over dt, and so on, okay? So now, tandaan nyo lang, basta may differential ka or basta differential yung ginagawa mo, multiply ka lang ng dx or dy, okay? So here in this case, how about the differential of y squared? That is simply 2y dy. Okay? Is equal to 0. Now, ano ba yung hinahanap? Okay? Is that dy over dx? Yes, okay? So, gawin mo lang, okay? Divide mo both sides by what? Divide mo both sides by 2y, okay? 2y dx, okay? Wait lang. Before ko siya i-divide, laruin ko na lang muna siya, okay? Ilipat ko lang muna siya sa kabila, okay? So, eto, ma-retain, 2y dy is just simply negative 2x dx, okay? Now, makinig. Divide both sides by 2y, okay? Divided by 2y, what will happen? Actually, eto, makakancel. Okay, eto, makakancel. You'll end up with dy is just simply what? Yung 2 tsaka 2 makakancel. Negative x over y times dx, okay? Now guys, makinig. Yung dx na to, ilagay ko doon. What will happen, okay? So, if we're gonna divide both sides by dx, yung mangyari, makancel out ito. So, dy over dx, therefore, is just simply negative x over y. Isa rin di man equal doon, okay? But, makinig. Ano kayo yung value ng y, okay? In terms of x. Gawin mo na lang, okay? Pag nilaro mo ito, actually, ito yung y mo. Ito siya, okay? Yung y mo is just simply what? That is just simply the square root of 1 minus x squared. And so therefore, negative x, substituting the value of y, what is that? That is the square root of 1 minus x squared. Ito po yung slope mo. Negative x over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Now, tanong, using derivative and differential, may pinagkaiba ba? Wala. Wherein, mas mabilis ka dito. Okay? So, take note of that. The difference between derivative and differential. So, yun lang.